What is going on, you guys? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can start affiliate marketing for free and without a website. Now, just a quick rundown. You guys not too sure what affiliate marketing is? It's, in my opinion, the best way and easiest way to make money without putting any money into it. Now obviously you can put money into it, and if you do that, it will speed the process up by a lot. But if you're just looking to make some more extra money on the side, or looking to just make a little bit more extra without having to put anything in, this is perfect, because what affiliate marketing is, you are selling other people's products by promoting it, and you get commissions on it. So what that means is you don't have to come up with a product, you don't have to buy everything to make the product, you don't have to pay for anything. This saves you a lot of time and a lot of money, and all you gotta do is you gotta promote the product. Now there's many ways you could do this for free and organically, and that's what we're gonna be going over in this video today. Alright, so like I said, in this video we'll be talking about affiliate marketing and how you can start with no money and for free. So this is the main way I do it. When I first started out, I had no money and I didn't really want to put whatever money I did have into affiliate marketing just yet, because I didn't know if it was gonna work or not. So I was a little hesitant on that. But when I first started out, I wanted to do it organically, and the way I did it was through Facebook. Facebook is one of the biggest social media platforms today, and you can utilize it because you can find a group for pretty much every niche. You know, dog lovers, cat lovers, you know, woodworks. There's a group for every single niche. Now, the way you can use affiliate marketing to your advantage with Facebook is, first you want to start out with finding a product, right? What product would you guys want to promote? And I think the simplest way to go about finding a product is, what are you passionate about? Because if you're not passionate about your product, then you're not going to be motivated to promote it. So if you are you love woodwork, right? You love these wood carvings, and you find this amazing tool that you just love, and it helps you out so much in your woodworking shop, and you want to make some extra money on the side, right? So what you can do is, in most cases, every product is going to have an affiliate program. So you go to that tool's website, you look at you see if they have an affiliate program, and if they do have the affiliate program, what you would do is you sign up for it. Most times it'd be for free. You sign up for the affiliate program. Depending on what the commissions are, it could be high or low. But then what you would do is you go to Facebook, right? You go to these woodworking groups, woodworking niche groups, and what you would do is you would start off by making yourself known in these groups. You comment, you post, you talk to other people. You want to get known in that group. I would not suggest posting your affiliated links right away, because that's just gonna look spammy. You know, they don't know who you are. They don't know why you'll be promoting this product, right? They're just gonna look at it as you trying to make money, and that's it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to these niche groups. You get familiar with the people in these groups, the members. You talk to them, you comment, you post about your woodworking, post about your life, so that people can get to know you. And the key is to do it consistently, so that Facebook will recognize you and notice you're an active member, so that when you do post and you get a lot of comments and attraction, they'll keep showing your post to more and more people. So you post and you comment consistently, and then once you do that for a little bit, you get known in the group. You would post your affiliate link to this woodworking item. And the reason that is because you've built this trust already, right? You built the trust with the people in the group. They know who you are. They know you're a real person. They know you're genuine, and you talk about this product. You love this product, and they look at it as, oh, this guy's trying to help me. So what they'll do is they'll go and look at it. They'll click on your affiliate link, and if they buy it, you get commissions off of it. And that's just one way to do it. Do affiliate marketing for free with no website, and you can do that with any niche on Facebook. And like I said, Facebook has tons and tons of niches. So just a quick recap. First, you want to find your product, something you're passionate about, something that you love, that you personally do. And then you go and you find a product in that niche, something that you use. You see they have an affiliated program, and if they do, then great. You sign up and you get the affiliated link that is specific to you and you alone, so that people, when they do buy through your link, the company will know it's through you because it'll be your special link. And so after you do that, you will go into these Facebook groups, you will comment, you would like, you will love your posts, you do videos talking about this product, but don't promote it yet. But you just, take a little hint there, like talk about it a little bit here, a little bit there, but you just make yourself known in the group. And what you would do is you're building the trust with the members. And once you build that trust, people are going to know who you are. They're going to know you're genuine, and they're going to not think of you as some spammer that's just trying to make money. They're going to think of you as a trusted person with knowledge and value about the niche. And they're going to know that this tool that you're recommending is going to be helpful to them because it's helpful to you. And that is one of the greatest ways you can make money with affiliate marketing for free with no website. Now, obviously, you can use money to speed up this process. You can use paid ads, Facebook marketing. You can do Google ads. You can do YouTube ads, Instagram. You can run all these ads and target them through that way. But if you guys are just starting out, you guys will have that much money to spend like I did, then you guys can do what I did and do it this way, and this can help you create more passive income weekly or monthly. Now, just to clarify, this did take me a little bit to understand the process and understand how to do it well. Now, I don't want you guys going through this video and just automatically thinking, oh, I'm gonna start making money right away. There's nothing that's gonna stop me. I don't want you guys thinking that. This did take me a little bit to learn and do it correctly. But this is just a great way to do it for free and earn some more money on the side. Now, if you guys are looking to do it more long term, then obviously once you guys do this organically for a little while, you can obviously put more money into it. But yes, that's it. I wanted to share this tip with you guys because I understand. I know you guys have been. I've been in your situations. It's not starting out with not that much money, and you guys want to do it organically. And I think affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money without having to put anything in. And I just want to share this with you guys, and I hope this was a big help. So, like I said, if you guys are not a subscriber to my channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the post notification bell. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. But if you didn't, that's okay. It's not going to hurt my feelings too much. But I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.